You turn to me, I say what's there to talk about? Over 15 years we've talked about it all. I've learned to be as alone as together means, because we bring me down and I drive you up the wall. If you've got the mind to leave, then pick a topic to talk about. God knows I've time to give. You've got the backbone to steal.